but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing.
Hi guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Long time no see, right? Well guys, I have been busy in my defense, so I did end up not doing like a fall tour. I just got that and this little thing over here. But what I did instead was reclaim my guest bedroom. So, you know, my son was there and he found love. So now I'm back to my guest bedroom. So when that happened, I'm like, oh, I have to go back to my studio YouTube room. So I didn't get a chance to ever show that because I always use it as sort of a studio, and you did see some DIYs there, but I never really got a chance, you know, and then, you know, they come back home in a whole bit. So now I have reclaimed my space and I want to show you this room. This room is humongous. You know, my unit is like I said before, it's almost a 1,400 square foot. My unit is almost, my 2-bedroom, 2-bath, is almost the size of a small Vegas home, you know, so that's why I've been here so long. So what I want to do is show you this room. It's almost about 25 to 27 feet long. It is one guest room. I do not know why the master bedroom is not that large, but I use it kind of for, you know, like work, office. I had my office in there at one time, but then I sort of got rid of that. So I wanted to convert it to like a YouTube / you know, studio. You'll see how I divided in half. One side is empty. It's still a work in progress because I still have some things to get. And the reason why I did send you like a little preview, but I kept having things to do, some furniture to get rid of. So I was on like a busy timeline, you know, so I couldn't like do everything at one time. So it took a few weeks. I didn't expect it to take it that long. Photobomb Sarah. So I didn't expect it to take it that long, and I was going to film yesterday, but then came up with this idea for the bookshelf that I wanted to put a topper on it. So, and I did do a DIY for that. So that took an extra day. That's why I didn't get this video done yesterday. But I want you to see this room. It is absolutely just gorgeous. It's a plain room, but I did a little decor. I think you guys are gonna like it. I recycled some things that I had before from my home when I was in the East Coast. Some things from the rooms in each room, I just recycled and moved some things from that room to this room, some things from my closet to that room. Instead of just going out and getting more stuff, I don't need more stuff. So I just move it from one room to another as I need it. And I'm pretty sure a lot of us do that as well. So guys, I want to show you this room. And then I also want to ask you, what would you do with this space? I mean, this space, I mean, most of you will probably do like a closet, a pack system, an office. But I end up doing for a purpose, like a YouTube / studio room. And this is a place now I could do my DIYs again. I did a few in the past, so now I could go back to doing my DIYs. I'm going to show you why I keep one space completely empty and other one kind of very girly. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. So let's get started with this room tour. All right, here is my studio YouTube tour. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. Okay, as you come into the room, as you can see, it's really blush. It's really pretty, very, very girly. It's still a work in progress. I don't have everything completed yet. I still have to get some things on the wall. But you can see the magnitude, the length of this room. And like I said, it's almost about 25 to 27 feet long. And that is not bad for a bedroom. This is basically a guest bedroom. So it's really like 2 rooms with no wall in the middle. Okay, so you can see in the back is my studio. And again, that stays empty. And I found a nice little, like, I think it's girly, it's sparkly, it's really cute. I did a candy station in the back and it came out really, really nice. Some of these things are DIYs that I've done from before. So again, this is a studio. This is my prize. This is my Mooregirl. This is my neighbor who is in Las Vegas artist. Oh my gosh, she is awesome. She's the same artist that did the calligraphy for my coffee station. Remember my coffee, my tea, my marshmallows? She did that as well. And I'm going to show you another thing that she did. She is phenomenal. And you know, she does have her own page on Facebook. So if you're interested in any artwork, guys, she did this Louis Vuitton drawing to die for, but it wasn't in my budget yet. On this side of the wall is my Luxe Mirror. It's just another version of the room, and you can see that sparkling chandelier. This chandelier I had in my house. This is a custom chandelier I got in Pennsylvania, and I thought maybe it was going to be dated, but it's not. I think it's such a classic. It is frost, it is glass, and it is smoke glass. It is so many pieces. It has 15 candelabra light bulbs, and I think it has about 100 pieces on it between the frost and the glass. I lost count. I think it was between 90 to 100. Over here, I got these, of course, shopwow.com has these little sparkly little dividers. You see that little room divider that I have in my master bedroom as well to divide my makeup area to my bedroom. And over here, I have this beautiful Luxe Mirror. This Luxe Mirror I got from Homegoods last week, and actually it was so funny because when I got it, it was $79 on Wednesday. So I went back on Thursday because they had a floor-to-ceiling one, like a really tall one, but it was gone the next day, and of course I didn't get it. So I said, that's okay. I got this one. It ended up being only $55. So remember this easel? This easel is from my master bedroom. This easel is the one with my mirror clock is on there. So it came out really gorgeous. I actually got this gifted from a friend back in Pennsylvania, and I DIY'd it. I actually just put some gray and black brush strokes, the same brush strokes I always use, sort of like a cross hatch technique. And you can see, you know, I could have the, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Now, over here, you'll see this beautiful little store. This store was actually a Goodwill find. It was black and white leopard print. I DIY'd this a couple years ago, and this was before I started my channel. This is one of the first DIYs, so I don't have a clipping of this. And over here, these beautiful sparkly pillows I got from Michael's. I think there was about maybe $10, $12. I've seen a couple YouTubers with it. Over here is a new find. Look at this beautiful, like, blush little candle holder. I got that just last week from HomeGoods. And I thought it was gorgeous. I really loved it. And of course, I always do my silver. I bring my silver in all my rooms. This is the candelabra, and this is a silver tray with just a candle on it, a nice fall scent. Coming over here, you see this ottoman is so adorable. It was actually a black and white leopard print, and I hauled this from the Goodwill a couple years ago, and I did a DIY. I just put material over it and just tuck it. I didn't have a DIY because this was done prior to my channel. Over here is the Chaise, which we call the Sexy Lounge, and this beautiful blush throw I got from JCPenney's. This Chaise also has two parts. It has the chair that leans back and the ottoman. It's sort of like a khaki material. It's really, really sturdy. The only problem with this is it's not really heavy to sit on for long periods. This rosette beautiful pillow, you know, I have two of them I got from the Goodwill. And this is my new purchase, this beautiful pumpkin. This is rose gold. It looks a little champagne, but it is a rose gold. I purchased this from, you can see it right here, how you can really see the rose gold. From JCPenney's. It was discounted to about $10. Here is my bookshelf. I did this DIY a couple years ago. Also, this is two bookshelves from Walmart, $15 each. I put them together, glued them, and the back of it, I just sort of like mounted together. I trimmed the front with just some trim from Home Depot, just measure, and then I trimmed it in the middle right there so you can't see the seam between the two bookcases. I got some little trim for where you see the shelf is, spray them It's like a champagne color. It's not gold, it's champagne, and I got it from Home Depot. Now the top, I'm going to do a DIY separately. I did this yesterday. I got a piece of wood and it was free, guys. Yes, it was free. I get the damaged wood in the back of the store at Home Depot, and the guy says, just take it. So I measure, from the back to the front, left to right, and gave him the measurements. He cut it for me. I stained it with an espresso, and I went over there with gold paint. Over here, you remember this? This is the DIY I did for my master bathroom tour. Yes, I have my bath bombs in it, but this time I said, let me throw in some kisses. I thought this was very blingy. It's very sexy. It's very girly. And look at the purple kisses up top. Coming over to my other candy station is the M&Ms, which is very dangerous to have in my home. And I just added some Twizzlers, again, the Kourtney Kardashian style of cookies and some jelly beans. So I thought this would be a pretty girly addition. Now over here, I did this little painting. I think I did this about a year ago. I saw a couple YouTubers do it. So I said, let me try it with the lips and the X and the O. And then I trimmed it around. It's just a basic canvas, sprayed black. Over here is a mirror I got from one of my neighbors, and she gifted to me. And I just added a couple little shells, just for decor. I'm going to add probably some little pictures or something. I haven't decided what I want on this wall quite yet. Coming down here, I got this from the Goodwill, this friend sign. Homegoods for the camera. I actually sprayed it. Another champagne, and then the inside was black chalk paint. See the eye here? That's another B original. Phenomenal local artist. Awesome. She never went to art school. Unbelievable. The back of the shelf, you can see here, I have metallic sort of dot-like gold metallic fabric. Here, I got this right here from Homegoods a couple weeks ago, and it goes from gold, and if you push it back, it goes to the top of it. It's the same as those pillows. It goes from gold or rose gold. Here is a DIY. I got this glass, I guess it's like not a vase. I'm not sure, like a little tray. I got it from, it's one of my Goodwill finds. So I did my little flowers in there, and just a little DIY. The apple, the pear is the gallery. Hello sign, again, is going to be from either Ross or it's Homegoods. The flowers are Michael's. Now the little trinket is Hobby Lobby. I did a printout of the Chanel Coco Chanel, and also this little cute gold and white basket. Again, Homegoods. And as I leave this room again, it's just empty. It's studio. The paper comes down, and I'll show you when I do the DIY of the top of this bookcase. And this is the reason why I use this paper. This you could use for doing your selfies. This is what some of the YouTubers use for, their background for the papers. And this right here is where professional photographers, we use this to hang our papers. This was at Amazon. It's like $60, and this is very adjustable. It's actually 2 different brackets. So if you use smaller paper, you can use it as well. These are my strobe. These are not lights for YouTube. These are actually strobe lights. These are Bose professional lights. Then of course I have my mirrors here, and this chain here. You can roll the paper up and down. So that's really convenient for changing your background papers. All right, guys, so this is your Mooregirl right here. I got my sign here. So if I wanted to do any type of selfies, I can do my selfies. If I want to do any type of fashion, I can go into the left side of the mirror, which, Mooregirl doesn't do fashion. But anyway, that's what it is. And I figure from here down, I would do some type of illustration. I'm not sure if I put something here and put something here. I'm not quite sure about what that chandelier looks good. Everything looks even. Is the right height if I wanted to do anything over here, or if I want to sit down and just do some type of vlog for you guys. So guys, if I wanted to do any type of vlog, I could sit from this view here, or go in front of the Mooregirl, go in front of the Luxe. Of course, I would go in the studio and do some things as well when I do my DIYs. So yeah, I hope you like this room. Like I said, this part one is going to be basically empty and plain. But again, I only wanted this part over here done very girly, very soft, very blush. very feminine, you know. And as you can see here, I have my color here. I'm going to show you with the lights off how that looks. Over here, as you can see, it glows behind here because this is the U light system. You know, guys, I always do my Philip U's, and I have the strip behind there, and I could change it to a multitude of colors, but now I have it as blush. But I'll show you the different looks that could come, because you know, at nighttime is really nice. When I open the door, it's beautiful, it's blush, it glows, and everything just sparkles. So I think it came out really, really nice. So guys, let me know what you think about the room. This is your Mooregirl, so you know, I appreciate you, and I won't be a stranger so much next time. But it's just that I had so much to do, and I had to wait on time restraints. And I always tell you guys, if you don't see me for a while, just go over to Instagram or go over to Facebook or Mooregirl Makeovers, Instagram at Mooregirl42, and you can find me there, because it's easier for me to show pictures or little clips really quick on Instagram than it is on, you know, YouTube. So, all right, guys, it's your Mooregirl, and I will see you at the next video. I will see you in a couple days. Okay, as soon as I finish editing this, I'm going to show you in detail how I did the stain and then the gold. Okay, it's something that you guys may want to try. It was easy breezy. It only took me an hour to do. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. I'll see you at the next video.
Might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with a break like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us. Oh, like a volcano, tending to be.
Okay, this is your Mooregirl, and thank you for watching my channel. The next video is coming up. Is going to be the top for the bookcase, so don't forget to stay tuned. In a few days, it's your Mooregirl. Thanks for watching.